Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So happy Friday or Saturday if you're watching this on Saturday to everyone, and that means we got another hot Kroger 2-day sale for this week, and this week is really good. So I had to get on here and tell y'all about it. Really good deals. Now, in order to get these prices, you must load the 5x digital coupons to your Kroger card. Basically, what that means, the items will scan in, and when you hit total or pay or whatever, or the cashier hits it, if you're a regular register, it will take off the digital coupons, and it'll end up making these like 99 cents or $1.49, whatever it says the price is after the coupon. So that's how you do it, and there is a limit of 5. The coupon will only come off 5 times. So that's something to really keep in mind. Now, per corporate, these are store coupons, meaning you can stack manufacturer coupons with it, but I do know that some stores don't get that and they don't let you do it, which is annoying when corporate says you can. I know recently my store has gotten confused on this. So if your store lets you, which I know multiple of you say they get it and they understand that it's allowed, then you for sure can stack these coupons. So, yeah, let's just get to it. Oh, and I also want to mention, last thing, if you haven't seen my other Kroger video from this week, click the little eye in the top right corner, because if you haven't seen it, you are missing out on so many other deals that you need to go and grab right now. So, yeah, let's just dive right into the deals. So first up, we have Dr. Pepper 7-Up, Diet Right, A&W, Squirt, Sunkist, Verner's Ginger Ale, and then Canada Dry 6-packs. These bottles are $1.49. So that's a really good deal for these. $1.49 for a 6-pack of any of those. It's an excellent price. The cheapest we usually see is $1.99. So to get these for $1.49 is an excellent deal. And these are like the full-size bottles too. They're not the little ones. They are the full-size like bottles. So definitely go for that and get it. It's an excellent deal. I do want to mention, I was pretty sure Diet Right's included, but I actually think I was wrong on that. It's not registered. Like, the rest of them in the app say they're on sale, but the Diet Right doesn't. So, yeah, but it was still listed under associated items with this coupon, so I don't get that. Let me know if you try the Diet Right if it works, but the app doesn't really make it very clear. All right, the Planters Peanuts. They are 99 cents, which is a crazy stock-up price. Now, many are finding $1 off of 2 coupons, which is awesome. If you can stack that, it's a really great deal. I think they're Peelies or Tear Pads. There was a $2 off of any 2 coupon. That came in the 819 Smart Source. Now, I didn't get it, but if you got it, you could use it and get these peanuts for free. You literally could get them for free. So, yeah, go for that one. But 99 cents, if you don't have the coupon, that is crazy. I would stock up at 99 cents. I am stocking up. 99 cents is just an insane deal for these. So, yeah, that is all that I have for now. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and check out this other Kroger video if you haven't already. So I hope you get the deals, and thanks for watching.